Hello everyone, so welcome to all of you in my Filmora 13 video editing full course. So in this particular course I will show you how can you make AI music. So just you have to go on audio section and you have to click on AI music, and from here you have to select start button. And now here you will see different kind of mood. Suppose if you want to make happy song, then you have to click on happy, and similarly if you have to make sad song, then you can have a sad option, and similar for exciting, chill, epic, peaceful, hopeful, emotional. So just click anything. So just click on happy, and your maximum duration of music can be 5 minutes. You can't make music more than 5 minutes. So minimum duration of music is 20 seconds and maximum duration of music is 5 minutes. So let's make music of 25 seconds, and from here you can select generated music count, which means it will provide you some samples. So here you can see on screen you can make 6 music at a time, but currently I don't want to make 6 music at a time. I just want to make only one music at a time. Okay, so just click on start button and it will make music for you. So here we have a music, so let's play this. This music is 100% copyright free, so you can use it anywhere. And also, if you like this video, then you can type comment below to appreciate my work. And also, you can give me good rating if you want. So okay, bye bye.